Okay, so we're here in Dublin Castle just after midday with Kyle. And Kyle, what does today's apparent yes result mean to you?
Gosh, it's huge. It's just this overwhelming flood of support from the whole country, and I think the whole world is watching. And yeah, it's just the culmination of a lot of hard work from a lot of people over several months and years. And yeah, it's massive. It's a great result.
Yeah, and Kate, you were just speaking about how much it means to you and how much it means to the gay community. That in years to come, you know, people are going to ask, if you want to get married first of all, and then they might ask what gender you want to marry.
Yeah, I think the heteronormative default of, you know, the assumption that everyone's straight until they come out and clarify that maybe that we're not all straight. I think that has forever been changed today. I think that for kids that are growing up now, I hope anyway, and I believe that the question now will be, would you like to get married someday? And at which point then the following question will be, well, are you going to marry a man or a woman? And I think that is an incredible achievement for a tiny little country and the end of the edge of the world. Yeah, I think it's an incredibly important move, and I think for those of us that have been campaigning for a number of years, we never really imagined that this time would come. And one thing that was really evident when we were canvassing was that the youth, as in like the 10-year-olds, couldn't understand why we were canvassing. They were all chasing after us for badges, punching the air, shouting equality, because for them, they've grown up in a world where they don't see a difference, and now there is no difference.